I am a little heartbroken right now. So, if you don't know, I switched my streaming software and my recording software the other day, and I am back now using OBS. With the last software, I had just created a very, very nice lower third transition that I liked. It was moving and everything like that. And then I switched to OBS, and I found another provider for this overlay that I'm using right now. But I really liked the one that I had created. It was my own, and I really liked it, right? So I was like, you know what? I wonder if I can recreate it. I reached out to the Discord of the group that provides these custom ish overlays, and I was like, am I able to make my own? And said, oh yeah, you can go and create your own over here. So I go over there. I learned the platform, how to do it, and then when I go to actually try it, there is a watermark on there, and it turns out that in order to use the free one, there's going to be a watermark on it. I'm like, oh, well, I don't mind paying for it. I'll pay for it. I go to sign up, and the price was crazy. They were talking about $150 per month to be able to use that the overlay that you had to create on your own learning the system. I was like, nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I was heartbroken. I am heartbroken because I had took a good day to figure out how to do my own. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna make my own. I can show other people how to do it, live stream about it, and then I'm like, oh, but then I'm gonna have this overlay here. Not worth it. But while that is happening, I received an email saying, hey, we just launched this new platform. I've been watching your vibe coding videos. We just launched a new platform, and I want you to take a look at it to see if that would be any value to your viewers. I'm like, "Oh, of course I'll take a look at it." And that platform is called Create Anything. I took a quick glimpse at it, but I said, you know what? We're going to do a quick exploration together to see what it's all about. What can we do with it? And then that is going to prepare us for an upcoming live stream that we'll actually be able to use it and try it out. And and what I want to do is actually see if I can create my own OBS plugin with it, where I can have my customized lower thirds, so I can replace what I thought I had, but I had not. Right. So I'm a little heartbroken by that, but hopefully, this platform, Create Anything, will be able to help us. And according to their documentation, they say that they're able to do a lot. Right? They say they're able to do a lot. We've heard that before in the past. I don't know what to expect. I have not looked. I only looked at the homepage so far. But we're gonna explore. We're gonna go to the site, see what they have to offer. We're gonna sign up an account, and we'll see how far we can get. All right, so let's jump into it. Let's jump into it right now. So this is the website. This is the homepage for Create Anything, right? And it says anything text to app. So basically, you've seen us use Lovable before, where we give it a prompt and then it creates a whole prototype, and then you can build upon it. This one says that they're able to do way more than prototype. They're able to do a lot more. We shall find out, right? It says turn your words into mobile apps, sites, tools, and products built with code. And they advertise they can do mobile apps, they can do little widgets, they can do tools. I'm curious to see if it can build me a lower third application or plugin for my OBS, so that I can make it look and feel the way that Tech Coach Ralph wants to look and feel. Not what's given to me, but what I can create, what I can call my own. All right. So it says turn your words into mobile apps, sites, tools, and products built with code. Add GPT-5 and 40 plus integrations in an instant. Right. So here's like the similar prompt where you'll type in what you want to do, what you're working on, and it should just get you started. Let's see what else they have on the page. Join 500,000 builders, create with anything. And there goes some examples of what it's done. It says it's able to do mobile apps. It says it's able to do web apps. Let's see. Anything codes for you. And just if you've ever seen any of our vibe code and chills, where we are prompting into a application like Lovable, and then it gives us back information, it gives us back code, and it has a web development and an integration and database. I'm curious to see what database this uses, if it's using Supabase, if it's using something else that's similar. I'm not entirely sure yet. We're gonna find out. It says what errors? Anything automatically detects and fixes errors on its own, so you stay in the flow. So one thing I do wonder about it automatically detecting and fixing errors is if it struggles, if it's on the struggle bus to fix these errors, right? Is it going to be using up all of your credits, all of your tokens? Because you know that we are token fiends and we don't like to fumble any tokens. Let's build large. Anything automatically refactors your project so you can build projects greater than 100,000 lines of code. Okay, interesting. All in one, just describe what you want, and anything builds it. Everything you need built in. All right, so that's what they're advertising. Database: all apps come with an instant dev and production Postgres database. No setup needed for and 1 GB free per app. So I like this already, right? The fact that you have an instant development and Postgres and production Postgres database, because one of my gripes with Lovable is that I have one, like, even if I wanted to pay for two Supabase accounts, they don't give me the option to, because their integration is stuck to one Supabase platform, right? So I can't say, all right, this is my dev, all my dev traffic goes here and all of my production traffic goes here. Hopefully they fix that at some point. But I love the fact that with Create Anything, they have that off rip where they are telling you that you get an instant dev and production database. And one of the things with like the Supabase integration is that ends up being a separate charge from your Lovable account. So this looks like they built everything in. I do wonder how many projects that you're able to do and how many databases, because that infrastructure does end up taking costing money, right? So let's take a quick look at the pricing structure. So basically, for free, you get 3,000 credits per month. I do wonder. So one thing that we'll have to figure out, which we're gonna do this on the live stream, probably tomorrow, which would be Thursday. I'm gonna try to create my OBS, my OBS lower thirds. But basically, what they say is 3,000 credits, and to get started, that's for free. Chat and generate. That's for $0 per month, you get 3,000 credits. You can chat and generate. You can publish. You get AI integrations. For $16 a month, if you're paying yearly. If you're not paying yearly, it will be $19 a month. You get 20,000 credits per month. Everything that you get in free, but you also get to do private projects, and they remove the anything branding, and you also get custom domains. So if you're building anything of value, you definitely want a custom domain. You can't be using like, oh, mycoolapp.anything.com or mycoolapp.lovable.dev. Like, that doesn't make any sense if you are serious about what you're working on. All right. And then we have at the 40,000 per month, 55,000 credits for people building apps, more credits per month, private projects, remove any, so everything else, and then the price goes up from there based on what are your needs. All right. All right, so let's see what else that they have on this page. Let's say, all right, docs, I guess. Let's take a look at the docs. It says, welcome to anything. Turn your words into sites and apps. Anything is an AI-powered platform that transforms natural language into fully functional websites and applications. Build, deploy, and scale your ideas without writing a single line of code. I do wonder if you get a code editor in this, which we'll find out on the live stream. But yeah, because for me, I know, like in my other projects that I've worked on, with my experience, I've always had issues with the AI getting exactly what I need. So what I always look to do is I like to have that balance where I get control over the code, but I'm also able to delegate certain tasks to AI. So I think that's gonna be an interesting balance to figure out. Getting started. So quick start, learn the fundamentals, builder, publish and share, account and support. So let's take a look at the quick start, right? So for quick start, build full stack apps with natural language, no coding required. I'm not gonna watch an 8 minute video, but let's take a look at what else they have on this page. What you can build. Uh, Anything generates complete applications from natural language description. Build web apps, mobile apps, and full stack systems with databases, authentication, and integration. That is like if it can actually do a mobile app for like with a vibe coding platform, because I know a lot of them they focus on the web apps. And then if you're using like a cursor, if you're using like a Devon, if you're using like a Kilo, then they can go and actually update and they understand the mobile code. But it's like from building it off rip, that's a little bit more difficult. So that's interesting to see. Let's see what else. Core capabilities, full stack applications, front end, back end, and database in one project. Real time collaboration. Multiple users can build simultaneously. That's really cool. Mobile and web design, the web apps. Publish to app stores. That is pretty cool that you can publish to app stores. I wonder if you still have to go through the whole process of like setting up your app, registering it on the app store and stuff like that, right? So then web platforms, AI powered development, multiple agents available to help you build and repair your app. I wonder if you can also import your app into anything. Like if let's say you have an existing app and you want, or does it only work with brand new apps? All right. And then third party integrations connects to APIs, services, and external tools. What can I help you build today? And I didn't even see, it says help me build a mobile app to do something. Getting started. So describe your application in natural language. Anything understands requirements, generate code, and build your project in real time. Describe your app, build a task management app with user authentication, iterate with feedback, add a calendar view, or make a design more modern, test and deploy, preview your app, and publish when ready. So, I mean, that's basically all of that's basically what we need to know to get started. I think it's going to be really, really cool. So I'm planning to do a live stream where we're actually going to sign. So actually, no, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and actually sign up for the site right now. So go to login, and I'm going to say sign in with Google. I'm going to choose my Google account, and we're going to say go and sign in, and let's see what we get. So we're in. We are in. So we are ready to we're ready to rock and roll. So let's say we do a new project. And we would go with, I use OBS to live stream. I want to create an OBS plugin to have dynamic. All right, you know what? We're gonna leave it right there, right? We're gonna leave it there. Because I would rather do this on a live stream to see what it's. I want to be able to react with you in real time to see what it is able to produce for us, what we're able to do, because I want the element of surprise. I love to do this stuff in real time, and then we can probably take it into OBS, which is gonna be weird for me to take it into OBS because I'm gonna be streaming and it's gonna look really really awkward. You know what? No, I might be able to do it because if I hide my preview in OBS, I might be able to show my OBS while we're streaming, so we can try to actually import it. Hopefully it doesn't crash the program. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. We're gonna have a great time doing this. So I am looking forward to seeing you there on the live stream. With that being said, I'm gonna go back to full screen. We're gonna wrap it up. So the website for this is Create Anything. If you have used it already, please leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on it. Am I wasting my time, or is it worthwhile to go and give it a try to create my OBS plugin? I don't know if any other applications would be able to do this for me. Maybe they can, but this is what was emailed to me. I want to give it a try. I am always willing to try out new software, new technology. So if you have an app, you want me to take a look at it, do not hesitate to email me. I will be glad to look at it. With that being said, I have also opened up the waitlist for my Barbarians coaching portal, where it has the ability, if I'm coaching you, I can manage your coaching through that. But I also am implementing the ability so you can self-coach with all the different tools that I use, where you can use it. It'll stay on you. It'll keep you going, having that hunger for more, to do better. So so the waitlist is open. So if you can sign up for the waitlist, and then I will as I continue to get it closer to ready, I will start giving people access to it so that they can really change their lives. It is working wonders for me. I'm using it to monitor my fasting, to monitor my weight loss, to monitor my daily goals, to monitor my long-term goals, and they're all linked together. I have a reward system in place so that I can drive myself. I am not like David Goggins where I like, oh, I can just have stick, and no carrot. No, but I built a system so that you can have that carrot hanging over you so that you can continue to push forward, continue to win, reward yourself for the hard work that you're doing. Because guess what? No one else will do it for you. So that's why I am making it available. The website to join the wait list is Thrive, THRIVE .techcoachralph.dev if you want to sign up for the waitlist, and I will be sending invite codes in the very very near future. Right now I'm just cleaning up some things that I don't really like about it, so I will start sending invite codes for people to start trying it out, and we shall go from there. One more time, that is thrive.techcoachralph.dev. All right, looking forward to seeing you join the waitlist, and I will be sending out invitations very very soon. But with that being said, it's Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. That means it is time to turn it up. Turn down for what? Yes, turn down for what? Turn it up. Let's finish the week off strong. Let's get it. All right. With that being said, Tech Coach Ralph, we are out.
You said it was a vibe, but it's 6 feet deep. Now I'm digging through the rubble of the plans I keep. You flipped the switch, you flipped the script, left me stranded on a sinking ship.
Asked for one thing, just one, but you spun the whip, now it's all undone. Chasing tails, chasing ghosts, there's myself in the cold I host.
You said it was a vibe I could ride,
but now it's a tide. You kill my you won't keep. I'm trapped in this loop, can't escape. Reality warps, the edges reshape. Rabbit holes got me spinning down, burning tokens till I hit the ground.
I asked for one thing, now it's all gone wrong. Kill my vibe like a flatline song. Gotta restore it all, rebuild the flow, but you left me here with nowhere to go. Patch it up, stitch the seams, lost in lines, rewriting dream. What was broken, I'll make it whole. You can't delete my soul.
Every move you made was a match to a fuse. Every word you said felt like bad tattoos. Permanent marks I can't erase. Now I'm stuck in this cage.
You killed my
the truth. You broke the rhythm, now I've lost my groove. I'll patch it up, I'll make it new, but I won't trust that vibe from you.